Next method is by the action of chloramine on Grignard reagent. This is the most suitable method for the preparation of primary amine in which amino group is attached to a tertiary carbon atom. For example, the tertiary butyl magnesium bromide, when treated, it gives the tertiary butyl amine along with the formation of iodo-magnesium chloride or magnesium iodochloride. The next method is by the decarboxylation of amino acids. The decarboxylation is done by heating the amino acids with barium hydroxide. Like glycine, when decarboxylated in presence of barium hydroxide, it gives the corresponding methylamine. Next method, by the hydrolysis of isocyanide or isocyanate. This is the Wurtz method, where the methyl isocyanide is hydrolyzed in presence of acid, mineral acid like HCl, to give the corresponding primary amine along with the formation of carboxylic acid. The reaction is methyl isocyanide plus water in presence of mineral acid like HCl. It gives CH3NH2, this is methylamine, and HCOOH, this is formic acid. Methyl isocyanate, when hydrolyzed in presence of potassium hydroxide, it gives the primary amine like CH3NH2 along with the formation of potassium carbonate. The next method is the Curtius reaction. The Curtius reaction is the decomposition of acyl azides on heating to give isocyanates. In this reaction, the Curtius degradation or Curtius rearrangement takes place. Isocyanates in presence of water give primary amines. The reaction is the acyl azide when heated to give isocyanate, this is RNCO, which on further treatment with water gives RNH2, this is primary amine. Acyl azides in turn can be obtained according to the following reactions. Acid chloride, that is RCOCl plus NaN3, it gives RCON3 plus NaCl. The next, RCOCl or acid anhydride plus hydrogen, this is NH2NH2, it gives RCONH2, which further reaction with nitrous acid gives RCON3 plus 2H2O. Next reaction is the Schmidt's reaction. Carboxylic acid reacts with hydroxylic acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to form the corresponding amine directly. The reaction being known as Schmidt's reaction. The reaction is RCOOH plus NH3 in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. It gives RNH2 plus carbon dioxide plus nitrogen. The reaction mechanism is the next method is by Ritter's reaction. Ritter reaction is a good method for preparing primary amines having a tertiary alkyl group. Here, the tertiary alcohol is treated with hydrogen cyanide or alkyl cyanide in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid to give tertiary butylamine. The reaction is CH3 whole thrice COH plus HCN in presence of H2SO4, it gives CS3 whole thrice CnH2. The mechanism of this reaction is, the next reaction is by Leucart's reaction. Aldehydes and ketones react with ammonium formate or formamide to form formyl derivatives of 1 degree amines, which on acidic hydrolysis gives primary amines. The reactions are as mentioned below. The next part is the preparation of secondary amines, or the methods giving only secondary amines. The first method is by the reduction of alkyl isocyanide with sodium and ethanol. Methyl isocyanide, when reduced in presence of sodium ethanol or lithium aluminum hydride, it gives dimethylamine. Here one of the alkyl group is always methyl. The next method is by heating an alcoholic solution of primary amine with calculated amount of alkyl halides. The reaction is C2H5NH2 plus IC2H5, it gives diethylamine. Next method, by the hydrolysis of para-nitrosodialkyl aniline with boiling alkali. Aniline, when heated with alkyl halide, it gives dimethyl aniline, which on further treatment with nitrous acid gives para-nitroso with dimethyl aniline, which further reaction with sodium hydroxide gives para-nitrosophenol plus dimethylamine.